tightened well. Place them over here so I can forget them again. And now we have to figure it out. We gotta turn it, I think. Yeah, we gotta turn the wheel. So I have access to this. Ah, yeah. Yeah, if you can see it, you can lever it in place like this. It's a tight one. God damn it, Moog. Your fits are tight. Tight as an ass. I'm gonna cheat a bit. I use my little special hammer. So that way. Oh man. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, I'm stuck. And we see a hole. Perfect. Now you can cheat again a little bit. Hold the bolt nearly in place and wiggle it again. Once again, just need to get it up a little bit. You see? So I'm gonna tap it in again. Bolt nearly goes in. Just need, shit, my leg is having a cramp. And now it's ready to go. Bam. There we have it. When you have bolts like this with a conical shape, you can just hammer them in. They're strong enough. They will survive. And of course, where is the nut? This is the one that came from here. Shit, I just took it off. Yep, have it. Oh man, my leg is in a bad cramp. Allez. Just turn the wheel again to be able to tighten it. Yep. Do not bend the heat shield for the brake disc. Oh, my leg is having really bad crap. So we're nearly there. Just tighten this. There's enough weight on it, so I don't have to hold the other side until now, I think. Ah, no. Don't have to do it at all. Ah, sure I do. Socket isn't long enough, so we take the 21 wrench to hold it, tighten it, and the 24. Up. Like this, of course. Oh, lefty loosey, righty tighty. We tighten it up. Voila. Yes, tighten everything up. So there you have it, your new suspension arm, ready to rock and roll. See you next time.